So it's the next day. Days have progressed, and I don't know if I've filmed this yet, but I've finished the bottom fuselage piece, boat thing. Looks a lot like a boat, and it's a little bit big for its size. It overlaps. Let's see if I can show you this. So just like that, got a little bit of a overhang, which is fine. It's close enough. And later on, once I put both the bottom and the top fuselage piece on, I should just be able to put some little inserts in there so that it's not such a gap. So, got to cut out little notches right here so that sits flush, and once I do that, that piece should be ready to be glued down. So I'm gonna get started on that. Alright. Okay. This should be interesting. Not sure how I'm gonna get it lined up. I'll give it my best shot. A bit far to the left. I think we are golden. That went much better than expected. So I was trying to figure out where the battery was going to go. I knew where the battery was going to go. But my little canopy system that I had thought about doing, which was just taking another one of those bottom panels that I think you saw me make and put it on the top, but the battery doesn't fit inside of that. So I'll show you. I'm just going to cut a hole right here in the top here. So the battery goes like right there. So if I cut a hole, the battery should sit kind of halfway down inside of there, and then another one of these guys will go on top, and it should sit nicely. And I think I'm gonna make like a latch, not a latch, a hatch type thing that kind of slides into the front piece. That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense at all. I'm just gonna do it, and I will show you what I do. But it's looking pretty cool. Look at that. Nice, nice. What? All right. The problem with all of this silliness is all the bevels. Nothing but bevels. I have to do every single dang edge just so that the outside will be nice and smooth. And it's very time consuming. And I still have more to do, and it's already been 20 minutes. It's crazy. It's not that much time, but it's a lot when you're beveling things. But I'm almost done. And this will be the last thing I have to bevel. I'm gonna get it done. So there's all that beveled. lots of them, so it'll fold up real nice. And I cut it here so that hopefully everything works out right. These all obviously fold in and glue together. This guy can go, right there. And then the back part over there can hopefully kind of latch into there. And that should hopefully cover up this little hole for the battery. So I'll get to that, and hopefully I can get the two of these guys at the same angle, which is kind of a challenge. So figure that out. Ooh. I am on my last glue stick. There's still so much to be done. I will need to go buy some more glue sticks. Dang. Well, that just means I can't finish it tonight. It's fine, because I'm very tired. And, probably gonna cut it right there and leave that just open, but what it's gonna look like. It's 1 in the morning. You can't even see that. No. It's 1:07. Oh my god. What?
My tongue always got it wrong.
So I cut out a little notch in the back here, and I put a little kind of a doubler there, and I glued it in with some Gorilla Glue, just for something for the motor mount to sit up against. So I took this motor, Super Mega Jet, I'm gonna hot glue it right in there. I'm not entirely sure if this is the next step, but I can't think of anything else to do other than this, because I have to put the motor on to get the CG right, because I'm not entirely sure where the battery's going to go. I know it's going to go roughly around here, so figure that out. Alright. The motor is mounted, which is good because that part's always a little scary. You don't have forever to glue it because it's hot glue, and you only have, 15 seconds before it solidifies. So you gotta smear it on and then stick it on and make sure everything's lined up. And if it's not lined up and it dries, what do you do then? You gotta break it apart. So that's done, and it is nice and parallel, perpendicular, whatever, to the rest of the plane, so it should fly straight. Awesome. I'm sorry if these videos are a little bit boring and slow, but I've never really done this before, and it's kind of weird describing how I'm putting things together, because it's, when I think about it in my head, it's not in words, I'm thinking about, what I'm building, so it's kind of weird to talk about it, but I'm probably going to get better at it, so hopefully videos will get more interesting. Anyways, right now I'm gluing on this little front panel here, this guy, which will then hopefully, on this piece, will notch into there. And it'll cover up the battery and everything, and that'll be nice.